Hello, today we are in Manatee Bay, Building 7 at Waterside, the newest building, built in 2008. This is the beautiful lobby entry. And we are going to Unit 734. This is the service elevator and the private elevator right here. Everybody has a garage inside parking right here. We are at 734 in Waterside, 3rd floor, private elevator here. Arrives directly into your front door here. There's your private elevator lobby here that you decorate. This home has no carpet, all solid surface flooring, either tile in the great room and hardwood floors in both bedrooms. This furniture is actually not included in price, but negotiable. You have got freshly painted walls and crown molding, 9.5-foot ceilings, all new fixtures that the seller installed. All the light fixtures are new. Kitchen has 42-inch cabinetry, wood, granite countertops, all open kitchen, no pass-through, open directly onto the dining room. Lots of windows, lots of natural light here, and the view is quite serene with a beautiful pool view, tropical view onto the pool. The pool is actually shared between Building 7 and Building 8 and has a southern exposure, southwest, so you will see some orange skies, sunsets out of these windows here. Beautiful, the walk-in path, jogging path here. We're looking back here at the kitchen and the breakfast bar here. There, nice and open. Nice LANAI with sliders from floor to ceiling. And the newest code, because this building was built in 2008, so the latest building built in Waterside. Oh, they're heavy, which is nice. Nice screened LANAI here. Master is very spacious with hardwood floors. View again. King-size bed. And 2 closets, his and hers. Nice, really spacious walk-in closets. Oops, you see in the window in the. This is all tiled to the ceiling, and real marble. I will mention that this is all real marble, not cultured marble. Double vanities and lots of cabinetry, lots of storage here. And full painting on the walls. It's a 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. White baseboards, nice construction. Second bedroom also has hardwood floors. And has a queen size actually here. The closet, of course. Also walls are painted custom. Huge laundry room with a sink, lots of cabinets instead of shelves, and this is the mechanical room in the back here. We've got 1 closet here, another one here. Water heater is here. And this is a laundry cabinet closet here. And you've got your second bathroom here. So here you are. Unit 734, ready for your purchase and move in. Lots of amenities in the building. On the second floor, just one floor below here, ready for you. Come and enjoy this pool right downstairs. Contact me, contact your realtor. 734 Waterside, gated community.